For today's video, I'm showing you how I created this makeup look. So if you want to see how this all came together, check out the video. Hey beautiful people, it's Kimberly. Welcome to another video, and I hope you guys are gonna love this makeup look that I'm gonna show you how I created it. For this look, I'm using the Buxom palette that was created with Holm. These are the gorgeous colors in there. I already did one eye, and now I'm gonna do the other eye, so it's gonna be quick, straight to the point, just the way we like it. So here we go. The first thing we're gonna do, we are going to do our eyebrow. And I'm gonna use my Revlon Colorstay brow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. Now my eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna put some concealer underneath my eyes, on my lid, just to act as a primer. And then I am gonna tape off my eye. What this does, it gives you that crisp, sharp line that we need. Then we're gonna take our palette and we're gonna start with the darkest color in there. I'm gonna go in with the concealer a little bit, and I'm just gonna put a little on here. Then I'm gonna take this shade called Dynasty. And I'm not wearing any concealer or powder or anything. This is just my bare skin. In case there was fallout, I didn't want to put anything on my skin, so we'll add that at the end. But I do have to say, this palette has no fallout. This really looks black, and this kind of has this bluish shade to it. Now, how I got that, I used this shade in Iconic on my brow bone, right below my brow. And it kind of mixed with the black. So that wasn't really planned, but I kind of like it. And then I go back in again with the black. For the inner corner, I used this color called Living. And then I am just going to tight line my waterline, because when I put on the lashes, I don't want there to be any space in between the lashes and my skin. You know, so I'm gonna go carefully. This makes a huge difference. You might not see it, but once you put on those lashes, you will. For my eyelid, I'm just gonna draw a line to hide the lash band. It doesn't have to be a wing. It could just be a regular line. I didn't wing it this time. I just kind of went with it. I'm using the Revolution eyeliner in black. Okay, so the next step, I am going to remove the tape. It's so satisfying. I highly recommend doing this. So for the bottom of my eyes, I couldn't resist using this gorgeous blue. It's called Scorpio. Love blue. I love it. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back. I popped on the lash. Now I'm gonna do my skin and finish that off. For my skin, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. And this is my go-to favorite foundation, drugstore that is, because it's so full coverage. It covers everything. See how that just disappeared? Now, when you want your freckles to show and stuff, this is not the go-to foundation to use. And as you can see, I'm only doing half of my face because the other half is already done. I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is my go-to. Then I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is in the shade Honey. And I like this shade because it has a little color to it. I love everything Laura Mercier. And now I'm going to do my lips because we can't forget the lips. Just gonna put a little concealer. Then I am going to line my lips with this Mented Cosmetics lip pencil, and this is in the shade Dope. It's a brownish color. And then for my lips, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Birthday Suit lipstick. I still want to keep that natural kind of look of the natural lips with the heavy eyes. So, and I'm a lip gloss girl, so I'm gonna add a little tad of gloss to my lips. Gloss Bomb in the shade Confetti. It's not my favorite shade because it has kind of this halo-y, glowy thing to it, but I think for this look it would work. Let's see. Although this is not my favorite shade, I think I like it. Now for the cheeks, I'm gonna use my go-to Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder. And I don't care what anyone says, but this is the best highlighter that I have come across. For the cheek color, we're gonna go with the Buxom Wanderlust. And there you have it. Oh, my earring. Okay, guys, how do you love this earring? It's fabulous, right? Oh. Anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and love it. And if you do, give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you for watching. And I will be back again next week with another video.